turn left onto Riccarton Road.
Early, and we're heading to Castle Hill to check out the rocks and then go to Arthur's Pass. But the thing is, yeah, you can hear right now the helicopter. There's fire up the road, so we're blocked and there's nowhere around. You have to go around Greymouth, which is very far. So we're gonna call it a day, call it off, and do a Christchurch tour as of today. It's a shame. CD tour. Yep. So we gotta deviate from our initial plan because there's fire in the road. I hope they get it turned off or something as soon as possible. Because yeah, we don't want to.
Put.
Huh? Put. We want them to put it. What?
They will turn off the fire.
Put. Okay.
Out.
Put out, yeah, put out. There's my language. Language. How do you call this? Language.
Translator.
Language coach. Grammar coach.
Summon.
Yep. Yeah, we're heading to Akaroa right now, and hope it's gonna be fun there. We're gonna check out waterfalls, and we're gonna go to the beach, but we're not gonna dip in the beach because it's
I feel
today.
so bad for the sheep. No more merino.
Okay, she's looking at those sheep.
So near.
Those bald sheep. They don't have any
They're
hair anymore.
naked.
Yeah. Yep.
The other one was
It's a shame.
though.
We're 20 minutes away from Castle Hill. And you know what? Castle Hill was where Narnia was filmed. So that's why we're heading there. We're heading to the rocks and look for that Narnia thing. Anyway, gonna get on driving. See ya, guys. See you later. Bye. Towards Nelson's Falls. Yeah. A couple of guys there on the undies. They had to swim. They had to dip. Again, heading to Nelson's Falls. There's a trail. A couple of guys there. They took a dip. So it's good. I think it's cold. I'm just gonna take photos. Yeah. And we're spent out. Yep. We're spent out. 8 minutes in our trek, and we're into this waterfall, but it says 20, so we're gonna go up there and we're gonna climb some more floors ahead. So we're gonna take this trail up here. It's kind of messy. Let's see how it goes. We tried to climb some more, but we're stuck in this lush area. You can see a small trail, but I doubt this is the real trail. So we're heading back.
There should still be something up because there's green.
Yeah, but let's not push it because nobody's been here for a while. Yeah, we're going back. So this trail is so scary. That's my foot. Goes all the way down. Good luck. Yeah, it's really slippery. Of course, that's steep now.
Ang sagwa.
Nelson's Falls. It says 20 minutes. It was only 5 minutes. You cheeky bastard. Anyway, heading back to the car now. We drove an hour for that waterfall. Ha ha ha. Okay, let's get something to eat. Let's go. Up here at a place called Akaroa. And we're just gonna stroll around, check out the place. Oh fuck, I'm burning. Blown out. Look at that. Fill a bag. Shark teeth. How many sharks was eaten? Lost that tooth. Okay, somewhat like a haze or something over there. Okay, let's go. Foggy thingy mingy jiggies over there. So we're just chilling up here at the bay of Aoraki, this lake, and yeah, sitting here in the bench, thinking of food. Exactly. Got myself a ring. Can't see it. This is $15 turon with chocolate and ice cream and kanang skyflakes. So yeah, let's taste it and savor it. It's $15, you know. Go.
Dahon.
Or dahon.
But I'll eat it like a taron should be eaten.
Yeah. This is take 2 of the
Taron.
turon, banana fritters, because what happened was ang sulod ganina, or what's inside of it, is meat.
Yeah.
So that was lumpia, and this is turon. Go, cut it. Let's see.
See if it's real taron. Getting the bigger one. Yeah.
Yo, turon. Yeah. And there's chocolate there. Ice cream.
Hilaw pong saging.
Good. All the bugs are up there in the air. If you can see it, good on you. Just a lot of bugs, like it's everywhere. Look at top. You can see the top part of the car. There are lots of bugs. All line up the road. And in Bonchina. Heading back to Christchurch now. Sun's down. A lot of bugs everywhere.